Welcome to the Smart Tuition app. In this video, I'll show you how students can use the app, explore their lessons, check feedback, track progress, and manage their learning journey. Let's get started. First, enter your registered email address and password. Once you have entered your details, tap on Continue to access your student dashboard. Here, you can quickly see your lessons for today, your upcoming lessons, and the number of subjects you are currently studying. By scrolling down, you can also view your upcoming lessons, including your tutor details and lesson information. Next, let's look at the My Lessons section. Here, you can view all your upcoming lessons. If you're unable to attend a lesson, simply tap Cancel Reschedule. You'll then have the option to reschedule your lesson, cancel it, or request an extra lesson. To reschedule, select Reschedule. Choose your reason, your preferred date and time, and add any additional notes if needed. Please note that lesson cancellations or reschedule requests must be submitted at least 1 hour before your lesson starts. Once submitted, your request will be sent to your tutor, who will review it and respond as soon as possible. You can also view lessons you have already completed. This makes it easy to manage your lessons whenever your schedule changes. Now, let's explore the My Feedback section. After each completed lesson, you can view detailed feedback from your tutor. Each lesson includes the topics covered, a summary of the session, your homework, your strengths, and areas where you can improve. This helps you understand your progress and focus on improving your skills. Next, we have the Progress Tracker. To access it, simply enter your email and password, then tap Sign In. Here, you can view your learning progress and track your development across different subjects. In the Student Progress section, you can select your name and choose a subject to view your progress. The color system makes it easy to understand your learning level. Pink shows topics started in school. Red shows topics you find difficult. Yellow means you are okay with the topic. Green shows topics you are confident with. And white means the topic has not been studied yet. This allows students, parents, and tutors to easily monitor progress. You can also access lesson booking options and look at your learning sessions. Finally, let's look at the Profile section. Here, you can view your personal information, parent or guardian details, your subjects, and your tutor information. You can also download a Smart Tuition app from here. That's everything you need to know about using the Smart Tuition app as a student. Thank you for watching.
Smart Tuition Online. Log in, level up, it's your time to shine. Learn smart, dream bold, make your future glow. Smart Tuition Online, let your knowledge grow. Smart Tuition Online. Smart Tuition, future's mine. Smart Tuition Online, where every mind shines.